No shit. He might get it.
No, don't. No. Just finish on the wedge.
No, too much. Too dangerous. This is how Don gets his kicks.
Well, no, I agree.
Well, because he don't drink all the time.
Well, I used to.
Yeah. Dude, that's only halfway.
Well, that's all he can go.
Yeah.
That's all you need. He's guessing, baby. Do you know where you're going to run? Do you know where you're going to run to?
Where are you going to run?
I was over here. Hey, tell him to get behind that tree. Here, right? Get ready. Get ready.
on that fuck. You gotta be shitting me.
Fucking bridge. Hey, Don Brown is a legend.
That's on video perfectly.
Hey, I wanna take a photo of me. God damn it. That's he. Come here. That was amazing. Good job, Don Brown.
That's going on YouTube.
Sure the way it would be. You damn right.
I got it perfectly.
You got it all? Oh, all of it. Thank God. It's going to be a viral. Did you me shaking his hand?
Yeah, everything's on.
All right. We're perfect. Wow. That's viral. I never thought it would go that perfect.
Oh, man, he has 5 feet to go.
Oh, my God. We're going to have to find somebody to kiss Don's ass.
You got to build a deck with this or something.
Build a deck out of Okies for a while. You're right, though, the mini. Otherwise, we're going to have tension and fucking ourselves up. You grab with the mini. You're right, like, if you grab this with the mini, can we lop it? Can it handle that? Or maybe we start farther back, right? Then we can just pick it. Yeah, there you go. Oh, motherfucker. I'm happy about this. I can't believe that happened. I can't believe it didn't go that way at all. Hey, that's what I'm saying. It went this way all the way. Fuck, we can drop that fucker this way, I think. No. Starting fine odds. So good. Oh my God, I love it. That's a miracle.
That was a fucking... We just watched a miracle.
I mean, Don, do I need to call the dude?
You ain't doing that every time.
There's no complaint.
Maybe measuring towards.
Don, should I be measuring shit up for the? Damn it! I would say we got 3 hours to clean up. All right, now wait a minute. Do we have to go over there and cut any trees over there? Not good. Oh, is it? Right. Oh, okay. But I'm saying, do you feel good about it?
I feel better about it. Because in the process, I kept thinking,
I know. I did too.
I kept listening for cracking, and then
I got 10'7" outside. 3 at 12 footers, they overhang 9 inches. It's perfect. Hey, Don, the wind was on you. It was blowing. Oh. Yeah. God damn, that's a perfect fall.
It blew right whenever it was falling. And then it stopped.
Yeah.
Because it's not even blowing now.
I tell you what, we need to put this on YouTube to show the loggers in the Appalachian.
How to do it.
I got 44 feet.
Cut that fucking wire.
I will.
God damn it.
I got 44 feet.
I'm getting tired of these guys looking
Jesus.
like cripples.
That's crazy. Oh, man.
Man, I tell you what, we had a successful day.
No shit. We barely got shit to do tomorrow.
Huh?
What do we got to do tomorrow?
That's all.